guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video for you guys. So Susie sent this kit over. It's for 24 gel polishes plus 4 like matte base and top coat, and this is Make Beauty a New Smart. And I'm excited. Look at all these colors. And you guys know I like the little colors for do-it-yourselfers, so let's get it all out. This is gonna be a lot to swatch. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to do it silently. So I'm going to have music and then I will come back with my final thoughts. I'm not going to use the base and top coat and stuff like that because I saved these because I try to keep minimum open. So some of the other brands as well, I don't have them open, but I will be swatching all these bad boys. So it's funny, you guys watched me swatch them all and I went to pull some standout colors, and it's really funny kind of the colors I chose. So this standout color is 1339, and since my mind is in fall, you'll see a pattern here. It's actually quite funny. This was a standout color for me. Absolutely can wear that. Next one is 308. It's that really pretty pumpkin-y orange. It's a little bit darker than the swatch, or I should say my lighting is showing. Next is 1357, and this is that deeper kind of orange. And again, I just think my mind was set on fall. Like, look at how pretty these are. And the last one is 1133, which I think is literally the perfect red. In my opinion, this is the perfect red. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I have a ton of swatches that I did on this, at 24 to be exact. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.